Welcome to the Sphere ecosystem. I am Price Time, and you're watching Sphere TV. Dyson has introduced the USD Plus ETS GAMMA liquidity pool vault from SolidLizard on Arbitrum. This is no ordinary liquidity pool. USD Plus and ETS GAMMA are both yield-backed rebasing tokens of overnight finance. USD Plus is a yield-bearing stablecoin that is collateralized one-to-one with other stables. That collateral is yield farmed, and the yield is provided to USD Plus holders in the form of daily rebases. ETS GAMMA, on the other hand, is a more complicated product. ETS stands for Exchange Traded Strategy, and it involves many steps simplified into one token. Users can mint and redeem ETS GAMMA one-to-one using USDC on overnight finance. When ETS GAMMA is minted, the contract will take a portion of that USDC and deposit it into Aave as collateral to borrow wrapped ETH. Daily rebalancing maintains the collateralization ratio at 1.2 to protect the WETH loan and prevent USDC liquidation. That borrowed WETH is then paired with the remaining USDC and is provided as liquidity on SolidLizard. Yield from that liquidity provider position on SolidLizard is then distributed to ETS GAMMA holders as rebases. Users can convert their ETS GAMMA tokens back into USDC one-to-one at any time. This provides an automated strategy whereby users can take on more risk to earn higher stablecoin yield that is hedged against the volatility of WETH. Taking things one step further, users can now pair their ETS GAMMA tokens with USD Plus and provide them as liquidity on SolidLizard. That USD Plus ETS GAMMA LP can then be staked on Dyson to earn auto-compounded yield in addition to rebases provided intrinsically by USD Plus and ETS GAMMA. So let's walk through the steps of how to create and then deposit and stake your USD Plus ETS GAMMA LP on Dyson. First, USD Plus can be swapped for on SolidLizard, or it can be minted one-to-one on overnight finance using USDC. Similarly, ETS GAMMA can be swapped for on SolidLizard, or it can be minted one-to-one on overnight finance using USDC. Please be aware that there is a maximum TVL for the ETS. Once you have both USD Plus and ETS GAMMA tokens in your wallet at a 50-50 ratio, go to app.dyson.money and search for GAMMA. Click on the vault and then click Add Liquidity. This will bring you to SolidLizard, where you can now combine USD Plus and ETS GAMMA into the stable pool. Once you deposit, you will receive your LP tokens, but do not stake them here. Instead, head back to Dyson, where you will be able to deposit and stake your LP to earn auto-compounded yield from SolidLizard, on top of the rebases paid out within your LP through the inherent mechanisms of overnight finance. This SolidLizard yield is maximized thanks to the auto-compounding, but also because Dyson uses its VE-SLIZ voting power to boost SLIZ emissions to its SolidLizard vaults. Dyson takes only a small performance fee on yield earned for providing these services. That performance fee is used to boost the governance power of Dyson and therefore of Sphere. The performance fee also provides yield to the Sphere ecosystem, which is funneled to yield-locked Spherians as blue-chip token yield at a variable APR. To withdraw your tokens, use the Withdraw tab on Dyson. This will give you back your LP. Click Add Liquidity again, but this time go to Withdraw Liquidity. Select I want to remove LP and either enter max or the amount you wish to withdraw. Once withdrawn, you will have USD Plus and ETS GAMMA tokens back in your wallet to use as you best see fit. But so long as you are deposited and staked in Dyson, enjoy your amplified and auto-compounded yield. Visit us on Discord to stay up to date on announcements and join our community. This video and channel is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and always remember that you matter for who you are. Is then distributed to ETS GAMMA holders as rebases.